Our family finally arrived on the beautiful island. We were all excited for our adventure.
Wow, look at those tall palm trees. This island looks peaceful and full of adventure.
I have a good feeling about this trip.
Let's make wonderful memories together.
We walked through the airport with big smiles.
Everyone looks so happy.
The ocean was shining under the bright sun.
I can't wait to explore!
We know, sweetie.
Let's go find some treasures! I want to see animals and forests!
Our adventure is just beginning.
This trip will teach us something special. Together, we feel brave and happy. The island feels magical.
Finally, we stepped outside.
The warm wind touched our faces.
This is going to be the best trip ever!
A new adventure was waiting for us.
I want to see animals and forests!
The warm air felt different and fresh.
A friendly driver welcomed us with a big smile.
We watched the beautiful island from the car. Look at the green fields! The temples look magical! Mom took many beautiful pictures.
Dad looked calm and happy. Soon we arrived at our hotel.
Welcome! These are for you.
They gave us colorful flower necklaces. They're beautiful, thank you! The pool looked amazing! The water felt cool and nice. Everything felt like a dream!
In the evening, the sky turned orange. We decided to visit the beach.
The ocean was big and beautiful.
The wind was strong but refreshing.
I'm building the tower.
Great job, buddy.
I made a moat.
We built a small sandcastle together. We laughed and enjoyed every moment. We felt thankful to be together. The next day began with bright sunshine.
We ate fresh fruits for breakfast. The mango was very sweet.
The forest looked mysterious and green. We saw monkeys everywhere. We remembered to protect our things. One small monkey looked at us. Dad quickly closed his bag. Suddenly, the monkey took a hat.
We were shocked for a moment.
A guide came to help us. The monkey returned the hat for a banana. We laughed with relief. Always be careful,
Why, Dad?
so you stay safe.
Okay, Dad. We understood the lesson.
The forest still felt magical. Some monkeys were very cute. We took one safe photo together.
Yay! One with the monkeys!
Perfect, everyone. Then we said goodbye to the monkeys. At night, we visited a small market. The smell of food was wonderful.
A pinch of spice for perfection. Each bite a new adventure.
We tried new local dishes.
We watched a traditional dance show.
The performance was beautiful!
That night, we looked at the stars.
This trip taught us something important. We slept with happy hearts. Bali gave us beautiful memories.